16-year-old girl is brought to you for evaluation of absence of onset of menses. She has no other medical condition and takes no medicine. She is not sexually active. Examination: breast Tanner stage 1, pubic hair stage 2, per abdomen normal, vaginal inspection normal. PR, we can feel uterus. Her serum FSH is elevated. Is it the same one, ma'am?
According to 16, everything is low developed and the FSH is high and there is no menses.
Turner syndrome, ma'am?
Turner syndrome, they will give you something else, no? Widely spaced nipples, short in height, some history they will give you, right?
Okay. This could be premature ovarian failure.
Yes, this is premature ovarian failure. Okay. Okay, somebody has written AIS. Dear, AIS will always have perfect females with a perfect breast. Androgen insensitivity syndrome patients only have problems with the pubic and axillary hair. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Very nice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Why can't it be Turner's, ma'am? With premature ovarian failure is fitting into that condition.
But Turner,
Turner's
they
is the
will
most
give,
better
yes.
option, ma'am.
Yes, but Turner, they will give you other signs and symptoms as well. That they have some short height girls, they are very small as compared to other girls, they have widely spaced nipples, there is cubitus valgus, something they will give you to come to the diagnosis of Turner. That is also a premature ovarian failure. But they will give you some specific thing to diagnose Turner. And if premature ovarian failure is not there in the option, then it will be definitely a Turner.
Ma'am,
Okay, but
Ma'am,
Turner,
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, premature ovarian failure at 16 years. Is that
Yeah, it is very rare. It's very rare.
the age it is?
Before 30, it is very rare to see premature ovarian insufficiency or failure. But still it can be there. Though it is rare, it can be there.
Ma'am, premature ovarian failure affects pubic hair as well.
Yeah. They will have all the secondary sexual characters deranged.
Why is there not androgen insensitivity syndrome with pubic
Because
hair?
androgen insensitivity females will be perfect females with good breast.
Okay.
The breast development is always good. The only thing which they do not have pubic and axillary hair because of androgen insensitivity.
Okay.
In MRKH, the breasts are normal.
Yes.
And the pubic hair and all also normal.
Everything is normal, only the uterus is absent. Yeah. Absent or not developed, or the horns are there or something like that.